demanding world of heavy fabrication, customers look to companies that can provide consistency and quality. Leading the way with the delivery of a comprehensive quality-driven service is the innovative Australian company SinoStruct. SinoStruct specialise in heavy plate and large-scale structural fabrication for the resource, energy and infrastructure industries, who rely on timely delivery of quality products at the right price. SinoStruct offer a comprehensive service that keeps customers informed every step of the way, start to finish, from design to delivery. SinoStruct is a wholly owned subsidiary of one of the top 200 companies on the Australian Stock Exchange, Monadelphous, a leading national engineering group providing construction, maintenance and industrial services. With more than 30 years' experience and a record for first-class customer service, the Monadelphous Group provides SinoStruct with both logistical support and the industry backing to ensure the company continues to make its mark as an international provider of quality fabrication services, with a reputation built on precision, know-how and an assured ability to deliver. Here in the industrial giant that is China, SinoStruct has partnerships with 6 privately owned fabrication workshops in Beijing, Qingdao and Shanghai, each chosen for their excellence in technical capability, safety and a commitment to the critical importance of a timely delivery. SinoStruct's specialist capabilities encompass a range of shop-fabricated steel products such as structural steel, conveyors, heavy plate work, piping and a wide range of associated products, including bins, chutes and tanks, process modules, pressure vessels, hand railing and floor grating.
SinoStruct has formed a strong team now in Beijing and its regions, Qingdao. We have several workshops that work closely with us. We've introduced all of our quality systems. We've hand-picked companies that are equal to Australia, including welding and quality control systems.
SinoStruct's project management, constructability analysis and innovative logistics systems are backed up by an extensive quality control program, which means customers can be assured of an affordable, high-quality product delivered on time and on budget. The system is managed by experienced Australian fabrication supervisors who work in conjunction with SinoStruct's Chinese inspection personnel.
We just don't issue a purchase order to a company. We just don't throw a set of specifications out there and say, okay, here, this is what we want, and then come at the end of the day and come and look at it. We actually have personnel at the workshops. We set up little satellite offices at every workshop. They're fully linked back into our systems and our infrastructure, so the computer networks are all linked straight back here to Australia. So those personnel are there at the workshop full-time, overseeing the quality, the schedule, everything that needs to be performed in accordance with Australian standards and the client specifications.
SinoStruct has a very strong team of experienced fabrication people from the Australian industry. We know what's required for Australia. The standards are very high and we work very closely with our fabrication partners to achieve that.
We also hire third-party inspection personnel that are bilingual. They've got a background in quality, and there is an interface between our guys and the workshop level. And we place those personnel at every one of our fabricators, and they report to our QC coordinators and our workshop supervisors or offshore fabrication supervisors. Through that process, we've got plenty of eyeballs on the ground, looking at the quality, overseeing it, and making sure it comes up to scratch.
The key to SinoStruct's China-based fabrication facilities is the ability to deliver cost-effective production while maintaining the high level of quality control demanded by its customers.
One of the quality control measures that we've taken on board at SinoStruct is adopting the Monadelphous in-house developed steel fabrication tracking tool called MonaTrack. We've actually taken it one step further by incorporating or improving it so that we can track fabrication progress in the workshops in China. The tools that we use for this are actually barcode scanners, which are able to be loaded with the steel information, drawing numbers, mark numbers, and the various stages of fabrication. Those are the front-end tools we use in the workshop. The method is we scan the steel through the barcodes on the steel, take them back to the workshop office, and then dock them and upload them through the internet back to the PE, be it in Beijing or Perth. The PEs can then see at a touch where their steel is and know that it's valid. One of the many benefits of it is the fact that it is a live system. It's always open to change, and what you're seeing is what you're getting. We can see where any piece of steel is at any given time.
What sets SinoStruct further apart from its competitors is the ability to provide trial or pre-assembly at minimal cost prior to shipping, eliminating the need for any unexpected on-site modifications and associated costs. The majority of SinoStruct's fabricated materials are transported in special company-designed break bulk packs, rather than conventional shipping containers, and for a good reason. This method of transport allows for faster on and off loading, improved safety, and logistical ease. A critical aspect of SinoStruct's ability to ensure delivery dates are met is with the scheduling of multiple ships for any load of fabrication, further enhanced by the company's conveniently located workshops within close proximity to port facilities. At Rio Tinto Iron Ore's Cape Lambert deep water port facilities, SinoStruct was responsible for fabrication of the project's surge bin facility. The work took place at SinoStruct's fabrication facilities in China and involved a total of 600 tons of plate work and 700 tons of structural steel. With all fabrication completed to spec and on schedule, the 4 180-ton fully modularized bins were assembled at the company's yard in Huangdao before transport to the nearby port for loading. The bins were shipped to the Cape Lambert site in Karratha, Western Australia. Where they were transferred onto a barge for delivery directly to site, and within 1 kilometre of their final installation. Heavy lift trucks were used to transport the bins from the barge to a crane, where they were simply lifted over a conveyor and into their final position in the surge bin facility. SinoStruct's growing reputation for delivering superior quality of service and a superior product is underpinned by the culture of their staff in Australia and in China. A team with a high level of technical expertise, excellent communication skills, strong customer service ethics and experience, backed up by the systems and programs that ensure delivery of fabrication on time, on budget, and to a standard higher than demanded, means if you need to talk large-scale structural fabrication, talk to the team at SinoStruct.